Lesson 33, Science and Technology. Hello and welcome to this lesson. Today, we are going to learn useful vocabulary for talking about new scientific fields, everyday technology, and common verbs and collocations used in science and technology. A. New sciences. You are probably familiar with traditional branches of science such as chemistry, physics, botany, and zoology. However, several newer scientific fields have become established more recently. Genetic engineering works with the genetic material, or DNA, of living things in order to alter their features. To alter something means to change it, usually slightly. Features are the typical qualities or important parts of something. Genetically modified foods, also called GM foods, are grown in some parts of the world. Ergonomics studies the design of physical working spaces and the way people interact with them. To interact with something means to communicate with it or respond to it. Molecular biology is the study of the structure and function of molecules associated with living things. Structure refers to the way the parts of a system are organized, while function means the purpose of something. Molecules are the basic chemical units connected with living organisms. Voice technology enables machines to interpret speech. To enable something means to make it possible. To interpret speech means to understand its intended meaning. One example is voice-to-text software. Stem cell research studies how human cells can be used to treat diseases and injuries and repair the body. Cloning is the creation of exact copies of plants or animals. These copies have the same genes as the original plants or animals. Hydroponics is the science of growing plants without soil. Soil is the upper layer of the earth in which plants normally grow. B. Everyday technology. Common examples of everyday technology include a smartphone and a tablet. A three-dimensional television, often called a 3D TV, displays pictures that appear to have depth. A high-definition camcorder, also called an HD camcorder, records high-quality video. A sat-nav, or GPS, helps people find locations and travel routes. Sat-nav means satellite navigation, while GPS means global positioning system. A digital photo frame is an electronic frame that displays digital photographs. C. Verbs used in science and technology. Scientists may experiment with different materials before utilizing the most suitable one. To utilize something is a formal or technical way of saying to use it. For example, he experimented with different materials before utilizing the most suitable one. A technician may press a button, causing lights to start flashing. For example, the technician pressed a button and the lights started flashing. A lever is a bar or handle that moves in order to control a machine. When someone pulls a lever, a machine part may begin to rotate. To rotate means to turn. For example, when she pulled the large lever, the wheel began to rotate. A zoologist may dissect an animal and extract its organs. To dissect something means to cut open a dead animal, body, or plant in order to study its parts. To extract something is a formal or scientific way of saying to take it out. For example, the zoologist dissected the animal and extracted its organs. When two chemicals are combined, they may react violently with each other. For example, when they were combined, the two chemicals reacted violently with each other. After analyzing a problem, a scientist may conclude that there is a flaw in a theory. A flaw is a mistake or weakness. For example, after analyzing the problem, she concluded that there was a flaw in the theory. When using computer programs, you may need to insert a disk into the DVD drive and install the software. To install software means to make it ready for use. You may also visit a website to download it. For example, insert the disk into the DVD drive to install the software, or visit the website to download it.